How to fix Microsoft Office error code 0x426-0x0 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. End Office processes in Task Manager. Background Office processes can interfere with launching apps, and ending them can resolve the issue. A disabled click to run service can prevent Office apps from launching, and enabling it can resolve the error. A corrupted Office installation can cause this error, and repairing it can restore functionality. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.